The letter. The letter. Some things are better left unsaid.
Bakit kaya niya ako iniwan?
Some emotions kept.
I'm sorry, hindi ko nasabi sa'yo how much I loved you before. Sobrang mahal kita, and I even let you go.
Mga mabibigat na saloobin na hindi madaling sambitin.
I hate you. You ruined my life. You ruined my life.
Pagmamahal, pasasalamat, pag-alala, o simpleng lihim na pagtingin.
Alam naman natin pareho na hindi pagiging magkaibigan yung kinikilos natin. Pero yung pinapadama mo sa akin, yung kinikilos mo towards me, it's more than that. I can honestly say na I love this person.
Don't keep it to yourself any longer. You have a friend in Papa Jack. The letter. The letter. Sulat na.
Shadows burning in the dark, and I am in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own league.
Don't be confused. Don't get confused, mga kaibigan, on how you feel deep inside. Write a letter and explore your emotions. Kasi ang totoo niyan, mga kaibigan, when you write a letter, you are exploring your heart. Mga kaibigan, it's 47 minutes after 12 o'clock, morning of Thursday, January 30 na. At ang ating pangalawang sulat is a letter coming from Sherry para kay Jave. Si Cherry ay 27, si Jave naman ay 24. Taga Hong Kong, mga kaibigan. Si Cherry at si Jave naman is all the way in Abra, Ilocano. Ang kabuuan ng sulat ni Cherry for Jave, pakinggan po natin.
TLC.
True Love Conversations.
The letter. The letter. TLC. The letter. The letter. The letter.
Sabi ng sulat ni Cherry for Jave, Dear Jave,
The letter.
Basta na, 5 years na tayong wala at may kanya-kanya na tayong buhay. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat kasi ako yung pinakawalan mo at hindi ako yung pinili nun. Dahil kung hindi siguro wala ako kung saan man ako ngayon. Jave, thank you for letting me grow. I was 19 na naging tayo at ikaw ang first love ko, kaya siguro nakadepende ako noon sa iyo hanggang sa punto na ang tanga na. At napabayaan ko yung pag-aaral ko para magkaroon lang ng time para sa iyo. Until you decided to broke up with me and chose another woman. The last word you've said is, you deserve someone better. Mas bagay sa'yo, sabi mo dati, yung iba at di ko yung matanggap. Pero, Jave, totoo pala yun. Sabi nga nila, iiyak mo lang until mapagod ka at mahanap mo yung reason at matanggap mo na. Then, I went on with my life tulad ng sabi mo. Nakapagtapos ako bilang nurse at lumayo para ma-reach yung dream ko. Single pa rin hanggang ngayon at alam ko na may asawa ka na. And I'm happy kasi nagbago ka na din. Yun pala, nasa una mo hindi mo ma-appreciate ang meaning ng breakup. Nasa tao na yun kung paano niya isasabuhay yung breakup na yun. Yun lang, Jave. Ingat. Coming from Cherry.
I can feel you calling. There's no place that I'd rather be. Just here with you, sleeping, if only in my mind. Until then I'll sleep.
Ay, nako naman, talaga, oo. I was confused, mga kaibigan, kung ano ba yung sulat na binasa ko. Is it a letter telling someone, letting someone know na, uy, naka-move on ako. Thank you for not choosing me. Thank you for letting me go. At least I am better now. Or, bitter pa talaga siya. And you needed to let that person know that you are now with a better life, and there's a need for you to let him know that you are thankful na pinakawalan ka niya. I just don't see the intention, mga kaibigan, that after quite a while, you still have the urge, di ba? Para magsabi sa taong yan na, uy, alam mo ba, nakamove on na ako, thank you. Or maybe you're just exploring your heart, like what I've always suggested. Siguro nga, Cherry, you'll never know when you're moved on until makapagmahal ka na ulit. Hanggang dumating yung pagkakataon na hindi mo na kino-compare yan sa dati mo. Then you can tell yourself, oops, I'm moved on. Pero hanggang nabubuhay ka sa anino ng tao na nakit sa'yo, whether you're happy or not, whether you are thankful or not, you are not moved on. I'm playing a song from Judy's. Sabi nung kanta, I Love You Goodbye. I don't know kung may connect, at least for what it's worth, para po sa inyo na. Tawag sa akin over 832-6171 or 1-810-100-5683. 7 more to go before the hour of wine. Good morning, I'm Papa Jack. Here we go.
Wish I could be the one who could give you love, the kind of love you really need. Wish I could say to you that I'll always stay with you, but baby, that's not me. You need someone willing to give their heart and soul to you. Promise you forever, baby, that's something I can do. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a lie. I know I'd only hurt you, I know I'd only make you cry. I'm not the one you needed. I love you. Goodbye. I hope someday you can find some way to understand. I'm only doing this for you. I don't really wanna go, but deep in my heart I know this is the kindest thing to do. You'll find someone who'll be the one that I could never be, who'll give you something better than the love you find with me. Oh, I could say that I'll be all you need, but that would be a crime. I know I'd only hurt you, I know I'd only make you cry. I'm not the one you need. I love you. Goodbye.
Don't hold back anymore, because when you think all's lost, there's always the letter with your friend, Papa Jack. The letter. Sulat na.